Hello guys, welcome to Java JSON. And as of now we have discussed if a statement, if else a statement, nested if else a statement, which is a ladder we can say. And now we are going to discuss about some more advanced concept about the if else statement. Okay, so here if you go to the notepad or you can go to the ID. So this is the basic you need to understood. So you can write the so many if else condition, and it is possible. For example, I want to write if. Here I have written true. True. Inside this if, I can also write the one if. Okay, and I can write true. I can write true. Inside this, I can write here also code something. One. Inside this also I can write something two. Two. Inside this also I can write other if block, which is true or some conditions. So condition will be true or false or something condition. S out. Okay, and here also you can write 3 and you can run it. Tell me what is the output for that. 1 2 3. Okay, same thing you can go with the else. So for example, this is the if, so for that you can go with the else conditions. In the else you can write what? Else. Inside this else you can't write else. Inside this else you have to write again if. And if you can write true, this body, and for that you can write else like that. Here you can print something. Else 1. Here you can print something. Sys out. You can take this one, and here you can write else 2. Inside this also, if you want to write something, inside this if also you can write if, and here you can give some false. False, and you can write it. So without else, if is possible, here you can see without else if it's possible, but without if else is not possible. Here you can see in the proper way. So make sure whenever you are writing a if else block, you have to write first if, then only else. And if you go to the else, you have to write if else or if. Here also you have going to the if. Inside this if, here you have written if. That is fine. Here also you can write else, no issue. And you can print here. So based on your situation, whenever you want to go, you can go. 4. Inside this else you can write also if, but start with if only in every block. So this is the true. Start, you can write here else block also. So like that you have to follow and you have to like. So this is the ladder if else you can say. So whatever the hierarchy, it's unlimited, you can go, no issue. Based on your situation, your requirement, you can go and you can write this one. Okay, you can't get any issue. So this is the one things I want to tell you. And other thing is like if you are writing any if else, so without if you can write one block of the code like true. But if you want to write only else, if it's possible, but only else if you write, that is not possible. So without if else is not come. Okay, so this is the error. You can see syntax error. So previously, or any block of the code you are writing, first you have to write the if, then only you have to write else block. So once you start with the if, okay, and then you can write the else block. You can't write else block directly. This is the issue. So this is the minor things you need to understood, where you can write, how you can write, and once you understood those things, then you can become a hero in this Java programming. Otherwise you face lots of the issue and you are not grab the knowledge on that, and you can't go further. So you have to think about, you have to visualize about it. Okay, how you can write if, how you can write else, how we can go with that, how we can go with that, when we can write it, when we cannot write it. So you have to think about it, you have to visualize about it. So spend some time on that and write so many test case, write so many code, and share with me also. In our website having a one discussion section, prepared one things like that, take a screenshot and post on that and ask the questions, like other peoples will give the reply you. Okay, so like that you can go to the discussion section and you can post your comment, post your objective questions, ask your questions, and we can help you, okay, to understand and utilize those knowledge, and you can become a superhero in the Java. If you want to become hero, if you want to become hero in Java, I will tell only one things: do practice. Do practice. Whatever I am teaching you right now, whatever the if, else, you are thinking like it's a very easy, but it's not easy. You have to practice, you have to go so many way, you have to write a code on that, then only you can understand what is the exactly it will work, how it's working, and you can understood more, and you can visualize more, and you can do work with this one. I hope you understood. So thank you so much. We can meet next video and we can explain the some other concept.